Why have you dragged us out into the middle of nowhere? There's nothing here except this broken arse graveyard.
There's a legend that every Halloween night, an undead serial killer comes back to life to hunt teen campers and cut them into bits. If we can get a picture of him, we will be famous.
You're an idiot, Josh. There's no such thing as an undead anything.
You're so wrong. We're gonna get a picture of him and get rich.
The only thing we are going to get out here is pneumonia. Besides, you are only out here because Brad called you a chicken.
Brad's gonna look so stupid when I'm rich and famous, and he's still working the late shift at Sal's Pizza. Now shut up. I think I hear something.
I don't hear anything. I'm cold, bored, and there is no undead killer.
Hello fellow makers and welcome back to 3D Printed Soup. Now, Lego has always been a fun, childish toy which everyone's really enjoyed, and occasionally they branched out into adult Lego like Lego Technics, or the new ones where you can build interesting sort of cars and trains and sort of bonsai trees, and sort of stuff that basically fends off dementia and makes you happy as an adult, where you can pretend you're not playing with a toy and it's actually something constructive. It's just a toy. But did you know they once tried to make scary Lego? I say once upon a time, 2019 to 2023. They made the hidden side, which was to coincide with the sort of young teen demographic who wanted PG-13 scares and, mild peril. This didn't work out particularly well and didn't sell particularly well, so it ran from 2019 to 2023. Not a particularly long stretch for toys, but let's have a quick look and see what they did. So here is one of the sets, the Graveyard set. And this has some self-referential teens with some cell phones, hats and hoodies, and some PG-13 ghosts. There's one there with electric hands, and you open the door here, and there's one there with scary Gozer hair. Yep, so far, so 12A horror. Mild threat. But surely with 3D printing we can make some scarier Lego than this. So I had to dig around on Thingiverse and a few other sites, and I found this fantastic print for a minifigure. It's not Lego, but fits in quite nicely. Let's try and avoid lawsuits if we can. So yeah, let's get away from spooky Lego and move on to some full-on horror Lego. Let's give this a print. So, let's see how we did. Yeah, that's going to be a lot more scary for them. Hello, Mr. Voorhees. Or, I'm sorry, hello, Mr. Hockey mask wearing undead serial killer who has absolutely nothing to do with the intellectual property, which is Jason Voorhees, or the Crystal Lake up and coming television series. Yeah, this guy is beautiful. Look at him. He's got his machete, he's got his overalls, and I love the way that the AMS system lets you print lots of different colours at the same time. And the nicest thing is, there's a face only a mother could love. Unfortunately, his mother got her head cut off at the end of the first one and didn't come back at all until we saw her severed head in the rather disappointing Freddy vs. Jason. But yes, this is absolutely lovely and I absolutely adore this. And I'm very, very glad that somebody's gone ahead and made a homage to him in mini brick form. Patent not pending, absolutely nothing to do with a certain other plastic brick set, but may or may not have come from Denmark. So yes, happy Halloween everybody, and yeah, this is absolutely lovely and a wonderful spooky toy for the spooky season. Right, let's go find me some campers.